from multiple angles.
The way you talk, you think we might be one and the same. Now I know you got it good, top that alcohol. Got a house, you entertain all of y'all. Big man, I'll give you a phone call. Out the side, I'll get you, ooh. And when I don't run around, ain't gon' have you play me, silly clown. Second best, ain't think about, you got me feeling good.
Okay, that was it at 50%. Only 50%. That makes no sense whatsoever. If I disconnect the other one, if you want me to, I'll send you another video of that, but that's just at 50%. I'll crank it up to 75 and show you what is at 75 right now.
Switch, you the party, guest list. Think I need some, oh you got me restless. Grab your friends and take five. Sexy, I was wide.
Once again, you can clearly hear the rattle on just the left side of it, the right side. Turning down gain to compensate for the thud makes no sense whatsoever. This one works fine. They are not matching. I don't understand why, and I need your help to make them match. Thank you.